In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your site on Wix. Whether you're looking to share exclusive content, create a private page for members, or simply want to keep certain parts of your site hidden from the public, adding password protection is a straightforward and effective way to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set this up step by step. So grab your device, log into your Wix account, and let's get started. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. If you're not already signed in, head over to wix.com and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Wix dashboard where all your sites are listed. This is essentially your control center for everything related to your Wix projects. Now, navigate to the section labeled My Sites. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites you've created under your account. Find the site you want to work on and click on it. This will take you to the management area for that specific site. From here, we'll move into the site editor, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the site management area, look for the option that says Edit Site or simply Site Editor. Go ahead and open it. This will load the Wix Editor, a powerful tool that allows you to customize your site's design, content, and settings. Depending on the size of your site, it might take a few moments to load, so just be patient. Now that you're in the editor, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice several icons and options here, but for today's tutorial, we're going to focus on the Pages icon. It's usually represented by a simple page or folder symbol. Click on it, and this will open up a list of all the pages on your site. Next, locate the page you want to password protect. Scroll through the list and find the specific page that you want to secure. Once you've identified the correct page, notice that there are 3 vertical dots located next to the page name. These dots represent additional options for that page. Click on them to open a small drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Permissions. This is where you can control who has access to that particular page. Once you click on it, a new panel will appear with several options for setting permissions. Here, you'll see choices like making the page public, restricting it to members, or protecting it with a password. What we're looking for today is the Password Holders option. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter a password in the designated field. Choose a password that's secure but easy for you and your intended audience to remember. Make sure to avoid using common or easy-to-guess passwords for added security. After you've entered your chosen password, double-check it to ensure there are no typos. Once you're confident everything looks good, the final step is to save your settings. Look for the Save button, typically located near the bottom of the panel, and click it. This action will apply the password protection to your selected page. And that's it. You've successfully added password protection to a page on your Wix site. Now, whenever someone tries to access that page, they'll be prompted to enter the password before they can view its content. This is a fantastic way to control access and keep your site secure. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.